everyone, welcome to my channel for travel and fooding. My name is Apurv Ganguly. Right now I am standing at the Howrah railway station, which is in Howrah district in West Bengal. So tonight I am going to catch this train. This is Amravati Express, and we will go to Berhampur or Brahmapur in Odisha. So this train will take near about 9 hours. So tomorrow morning at around 8:30 or 9 a.m. we should reach Berhampur. So our original destination is Gopalpur-On-Sea, which is anyway a popular seashore destination. Gopalpur-On-Sea is in the Ganjam district in southern Odisha. So the plan right now is that I'll spend around 2 to 3 days relaxing at the seashore, and once we reach there, then I'll make a plan where to go to visit spiritual places nearby to Gopalpur. Let's board the train, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Bye bye and good night. So I have reached the Berhampur train station just now. From here, Gopalpur is around 15 or 16 kilometers. So you can get the local cabs, or else you can also take autos. There is the auto stand next to the bus station. It will take around 30 to 40 minutes, something like that, to reach Gopalpur. And it may cost around 3 to 400 rupees if you go by auto. By car it might be obviously a little more. So let's go there and check for some auto. Okay, see you sometime. We are at the Gopalpur Marine Drive road that runs parallel to the Bay of Bengal. There are several hotels at both sides of this road, few of which are almost on the beach. Now let's look at few of these properties. I shall provide the contact information of few of these properties in this video's description box for your convenience. This is the hotel where I stayed for 4 days, Hotel Seaside Breeze. This is the view from balcony of my room. Like I said, this property is almost on the beach. It has nice large balconies which I liked very much. So this is the morning time. We can see that there is a pristine beauty of the sea. At far end it is deep blue, and then you can see the emerald green. Of course right now we are not able to see the sea in that way, but whenever possible I'll certainly show you the beautiful color. There is the lighthouse of Gopalpur, that red and white pillar-like structure. Actually, this is the month of July, and we are at the end of the almost at the end of the second wave of Corona. So lockdowns are actually taken away from this Ganjam district. So I thought, okay, let's go and check out some of the properties and let's try to spot book. So I checked few of the hotels, and then what I did actually, this is the one which I chose. This is the named as Hotel Sea Breeze. So rooms are pretty large, and there is a large balcony as well where you can sit. It's front facing, so you can sit on the balcony and see the sea throughout the day. Nearby there is small shacks. There are few shacks of the fishermen. So what actually I'm going to go there and check if the fishermen are coming back with their boats. Actually, half an hour back, this is the morning time, so half an hour back I saw that the fishermen were coming back from the seas. So maybe we can go there and try to buy some fish. This is the first day. We may have some good fish fries and all, right? So I also saw there are a few of the small shacks who told me that if I get them the fish directly bought from the fishermen, they would cook it as I want. So let's see. So today's plan is like we will go there and to those shacks, try to buy some fish, and at the second half of the day we will see there is around 30 or 35 kilometers away there is a Tara Tarini temple. It's on a hilltop, so people can avail a ropeway to go there. So I think that can be a pretty good day we can spend. So let's see. Let's walk, and I'll catch you up later. Also, what I have noticed that there are several broken house structures. So those actually look like haunted houses, you know. So I really have not seen so many haunted house-like structures in my life, which are nestled one after another. So this is one. This is just next to our hotel. So yes, I don't know how so many this kind of house structures are present at the same place. One possibility is definitely that what I have noticed, there is too much of breeze. There are so many shacks all around. You can see the small shacks. Most of those are closed, but I have heard that toward the morning, if you come here around 7 or 8 a.m., you can see the boats returning back from the sea, and they may have that days catch some fresh fish or crab, prawns. I'll certainly be looking for those. So for now, let's walk around and see. This is the Gopalpur Government Park. Currently it's empty, as you can see, for COVID restrictions. And there are a few small shops and restaurants around. Most of these are closed, and these are selling simple breakfast, lunch and dinner. Let's go for some breakfast. We are at OTDC Panthanivas. It's a pretty large complex with open space all around. A lot of people prefer to stay in state tourism department run accommodations because these are always situated at best possible locations and food is also supposed to be pretty good. Since Gopalpur is just in the post lockdown stage, most of the eateries in this small town are still closed. Hence, I thought of coming to this place to have a good lunch, maybe with some fresh catch from the sea. So I went to the manager's desk, ordered my lunch. However, it will take another half an hour to arrive. Hence, I thought to take a stroll towards the beach in front of the guest house. This one is supposed to be a private beach of this property. You can see the way toward the beach. It has a canopy of trees and may take 2 to 3 minutes to reach till the beach. Well, this brings to the end of a very relaxing day. Tomorrow we will be going to Rambha and that you will watch in the next episode. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching our video.